Have you ever found yourself stuck in a seemingly endless streak of unfortunate events, thinking, today is just not my lucky day, and maybe I'm just an unlucky person? Well, pause right there because in today's video, I'm about to unravel the mystery behind luck and share something truly transformative with you. So grab a seat, grab a snack, and stick with me until the end because we're about to embark on a journey that could turn your luck around and make you the luckiest person in the world. Greetings, wonderful souls. Welcome back to the sanctuary where we delve deep into the realms of self-improvement and mindset transformation. If you've ever felt like the universe was playing a cosmic joke on you, where luck seems elusive and misfortune a constant companion, then today's video is tailor-made for you. We're not just scratching the surface. We're diving headfirst into the profound concept of luck and the law of attraction. Now, we all know the days when everything goes wrong. The alarm doesn't ring, you spill coffee on your favorite shirt, and traffic seems determined to test your patience. It's easy to slip into the belief that some people are just inherently luckier than others. But what if I told you that luck isn't a mystical force reserved for a chosen few? What if I told you that becoming the luckiest person in the world is not about chance, but about understanding and harnessing the power of your own mind? Today, we're setting aside the superstitions and diving deep into the psychology of luck. We'll explore the distinction between an unlucky person and a lucky one, and spoiler alert, it has less to do with four-leaf clovers and horse shows, and more to do with the incredible force known as the law of attraction. So whether you're here seeking a change in fortune, tired of feeling like the universe is conspiring against you, or just curious about the science behind luck, you're in the right place. Buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand luck on a whole new level, but also learn practical steps to become the luckiest person you know. It's a promise, and I don't take promises lightly. Are you ready to redefine your relationship with luck? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of the law of attraction and unlock the secrets to becoming the luckiest person in the world. Stick with me. This is going to be a game changer. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating realm of mindset and its pivotal role in shaping our perception of luck. Luck, often misconstrued as a mysterious force, is in fact intricately connected to the way we direct our thoughts and energy. Those who intentionally focus their energy and thoughts on what they want in life tend to attract more of those positive outcomes. On the flip side, individuals who constantly dwell on problems and adversities often find themselves stuck in a cycle of negativity. Now, enter the game changer, the law of attraction. This natural force operates as a response mechanism to our thoughts, forming a tripod of influence: thinking, feeling, and gratitude. Imagine it as a cosmic energy that surrounds us, picking up on our mental vibrations and responding accordingly. In essence, luck is not an external force, but a reflection of our mindset and the energy we emit into the universe. Is the law of attraction really as straightforward as it seems? Absolutely. For those who have delved into the profound principles of the law of attraction, its essence boils down to three core elements: thinking positively, feeling deeply, and expressing genuine gratitude. This isn't a recent revelation, but a timeless discovery that spans millennia, a recognition of a natural energy embedded within the fabric of existence. Consider it as tapping into the cosmic energy grid, aligning your thoughts and emotions with the frequency of what you desire. Positive thinking becomes a magnetic force, drawing in the outcomes you envision. Feeling deeply and expressing gratitude amplify this energy, creating a powerful feedback loop that reinforces your connection with the universe. Let's shatter the illusion surrounding luck and recognize it as a concept rather than a tangible reality. Luck, far from being an external force, is intimately tied to where we choose to direct our focus. It's a conscious decision to perceive and interpret events in our lives. The idea that luck shows up after action emphasizes the importance of thought as the precursor to all meaningful endeavors. Everything begins with a thought, a universal truth that transcends individual experiences. The power to create, think positively, and express gratitude isn't elusive. It's an innate part of every individual. Understanding that luck is not an external force, but a product of our thoughts empowers us to take control of our destinies and consciously shape our realities. Now, let's witness the law of attraction in action. It's not about chance or luck. It's about the tangible results that manifest from your thoughts and actions. Focusing on what you want in life, as opposed to dwelling on what you don't want, becomes the driving force behind this phenomenon. Consider luck as the outcome of a person who desires and believes more, theoretically becoming the lucky one. It's about choosing the right path consciously and actively participating in the development of your luck. The law of attraction is not passive. It's a dynamic force that responds to your thoughts, emotions, and actions, creating a harmonious dance between your aspirations and the universe. So embrace this cosmic dance, take charge of your thoughts, and witness the transformation in your life. As we conclude our journey into the profound world of luck and the law of attraction, it becomes evident that luck is not a mere coincidence, but a manifestation of our thoughts and energy. We've unraveled the myth that luck is an external force and discovered that it's intricately linked to our mindset, our ability to focus on what we want, and the energy we radiate into the universe. Remember, luck is not an elusive concept reserved for a select few. It's a product of conscious choices, thoughts, and actions. By understanding the principles of the law of attraction, thinking positively, feeling deeply, and expressing gratitude, you possess the tools to shape your own destiny and become the architect of your luck. So, as we transition into the outro, take these insights with you. The journey to becoming the luckiest person isn't about chance. It's about deliberate intention and aligning your energy with your desires. Now, let's wrap up this transformative exploration. Thank you, amazing souls, for joining me on this insightful expedition into the world of luck and the law of attraction. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more content that empowers your mind and enriches your life. Remember, luck is not something you find. It's something you create. By incorporating the principles we've discussed today into your daily life, you're not just changing your luck, you're rewriting your story. If you're hungry for more wisdom on the law of attraction, check out the linked ebook in the description below. It's a treasure trove of knowledge that can further guide you on your journey to becoming the luckiest person you know. As we part ways for now, stay positive, stay intentional, and may the cosmic dance of the law of attraction bring boundless fortune into your life. Until next time, keep shining and creating your own luck. Take care, and I'll see you in the next enlightening adventure.